Alright, here we are today at a house that was probably built in 1860s. It's an old farmhouse. It's a sheep farm. There you can see all the sheep. We're out in the middle of Amish country, and we came across this place, and a lady was outside working in her yard. She's Hungarian. She doesn't speak much English, actually. Very friendly. Allowed us to hunt her yard, and today I'm hunting with Dawn. Dawn's making all the finds today so far. I haven't found much of anything, and I'll have him show you what we've got so far today. Dawn, show me what you got. Don's first, we weren't here probably 20 seconds, and as soon as he put the coil to the ground, he dropped it, I think, right on top of this nice mercury dime. All I've gotten so far today is a piece off of a harness, and we got a couple bird tags from, must have had some kind of
nice mirror finish on that dime.
Alright, here's what Dawn's got so far. It is an 1896 Indian head penny, a 1905 Indian head penny, and a really nice, lot of detail left on this 1944 Merc. So this is what we've got so far. Dawn's been the lucky guy today.
So far.
I'm still waiting for mine. You can see my lonely DFX laying there. Alright, if we find anything good, I'll be back. With Don here, that's just smoking me today. He just recovered his 4th Indian head penny, and he has one Merc that he got as soon as we knew it was going to be his day, because as soon as we showed up, he put his coil down and it landed right on top of a Merc at about 4 inches. So, really nice looking Indian heads he's been pulling out of here today. Let me see here. They got a really nice green color to them. This one here is 1897. An awesome looking patina on it. And the backside hadn't been done anything to, but you see it. Dawn's on them today. Look at that proud owner.
Find some more.
Well, back once again. Dawn strikes. What do you have this time?
Barber dime.
Yeah, shined up here in a second.
1900.
1900 Barber dime.
Something interesting?
Wow,
Yes.
Awesome. Very nice. There's our lovely owner. She's getting a history lesson in all of our U.S. currency courtesy of Dawn. She's making impressions of them, and this is actually kind of a neat little thing to do. This came out really nice. The record those. Those are nice. These are the finds of Dawn. I'm getting a glare. You can see some of them. She's sketching them because she's never seen them before. Very neat. Yep, that's a Barber dime.
This is different.
Yep, that's a silver Barber dime.
Can I?
Yes, yeah, you can do a rubber.
Dawn is just killing me today. I got 1 wheat penny to my name, so once again, give you a little tour of what we're looking at here today. Sheep, sheep, and more sheep. Bad place for the beefcake. Maybe that's why I'm not finding anything. All sheep. Change my name to Sheep Cake and maybe I'll get something. I don't know. Really cool old house. Don's just having a phenomenal day today. He's got, I think, 4 Indian head pennies so far. Barber dime, mercury dime, and we've only been at it for about an hour and a half, if you can only believe that. So, great day. Great day. Okay, we're finishing up here. This is Don's take for the day. Got a Merc, a Barber, and 4 Indian heads, and hopefully this comes out. That Barber's got all kinds of detail on it. I haven't seen one in that good position or condition in a long time, and it's a strange, perfect details on it, but it pitted on the head. Don't ask me why. There's Don's collection, and I got a rock. No, I had the Charlie Brown day today. I didn't get nothing worth speaking of. So here's one last look at the place, and we're out.